Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a hummus, which is one of the famous Middle Eastern cold appetizer. Hummus in Arabic means chickpea, and as per its name, main ingredient is simply chickpea. You can easily use a can of chickpea or you can cook it from scratch. And I'll show you how to make a hummus with canned chickpea. First, remove all the liquid inside of the can. And rinse chickpea with fresh water. Rub them gently to remove the skin. Put the chickpea in the blender and add garlic, lemon juice, tahini, and salt. If anyone want to check how to make tahini at home, click the link above. Add some ice cubes to make it cool down and to make the texture smoother. Voila! Simply it's done. When you plate hummus, make a room for olive oil on its surface. Plate it with olive oil and paprika powder. Enjoy healthy hummus with vegetables or Arabic bread. Hope you two have a great weekend and see you next time.